Another very interesting tool, I like it a lot because, yeah, when you sketch and you think in processes as you usually do in low code and in Synera, sometimes you need to go one step. You have to start one step earlier. So to sketch, for example, processes, but you can also use this tool to document a bit better in your workflow. So now we have integrated a whiteboard. And for this, let me show you also a little example. So this is how it could look like in the end. In a larger workflow. Here we have a big workflow, and we see, for example, at the beginning, there we have a to-do list. For example, I want to document something for my colleague, or I have another idea for the process that is included in this particular node. Then I want to add some sticky notes here for my colleague to clean this up, or for myself, or also hard copy something to keep in there. So to use the graphics, but having that inside directly inside the workflow. See, okay. Thank you. Okay, so let's see how it works. You can find that under utilities and Canvas, and there's the whiteboard panel. It appears, and then you can click it, and there's some familiar features you might notice. So you can draw some boxes, then you can assign colors, set the opacity, things like you're used to. And for example, here we just quickly set up a little process, step 1, step 2. You might have another sub step here. And if you're done, you just click save. It gets in the whiteboard panel. Then first, in the settings, you can fit the size to the actual process you have built up here. And you can copy that, like hard copy that as a picture. And you can also save that as a picture to your local drive. Okay. Of course, you can use that using the viewer panel and other spots in the workflow. But the interesting point here is that it is an open library. So when you go to excalidraw.com, there, if you want to have more features here, you can choose anything you like from that open library. For example, this little sketch here, I really like that to document something in a workflow. I copied that directly inside the whiteboard panel. Click save, and it's available as the other process I drew before. Yeah, similar with anything else. So there are more libraries, so you can just go there and type something in, like I just want a simple sticky note. You add it and you use it as before.